Greetings. My name is Robert DeFrancis. I'm the Director of Sales here at Junxure, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about our Junxure CRM system. We've been offering CRM for nearly 2 decades now. It's a system created specifically for financial advisors from the ground up. We have over 1,300 people and 13,000 people and 1,100 firms using our system throughout the country. And since I only have a few minutes here, I want to spend my time talking about a few bullet points about what solutions or what problems we solve with our CRM solutions. And one thing we want to help with is help advisors and their staff really live in one place, live in their CRM. Most of our customers, the advisors and their staff, they have data all over the place. They have it in portfolio management reporting software. They've got it in financial planning systems. They've got it in document management systems. They want to send data to Laser app. They've got data, emails and files in Outlook. It's all over the place. We have good integrations that help firms live in one place in their CRM as much as possible, so that they don't have to bounce around and go from John Doe in their portfolio management system to their financial planning software to their CRM to Outlook. We want to help them live in one place as much as possible. And again, our good integrations help with that, and I'll talk about it a little bit as I go through a couple of the other bullet points here. Another one we like to think about is the CRM should be your corporate memory. With most of our firms that use our system, there's more than one person working with any individual client or household. So we want to bring together all those phone call notes, all those meeting notes, all the letters and the emails that are sent back and forth together into one place. In fact, probably our most popular integration we have is with Outlook, where if a client sends an email, as soon as that email is in Outlook, it's automatically 0 mouse clicks inside of Junxure or Junxure Cloud, so that if I'm an advisor and I'm on the phone with John and Jane Doe, we can have all the phone calls, all the meetings, all the emails, no matter who sent or received it, all in one place. Now, we've yet to find a way to make you put phone call notes and make you put meeting notes in there, but again, probably our most popular function is the way we connect the emails with Outlook and get all those in one place with our CRM systems. Another thing we try to do is help be your mass communication tool. Your CRM, and Junxure does a very good job of this, is searching tools. Help you get together a list of people or a list of households that meet some certain criteria. And don't have to be a programmer to do it. You know, I might need a list of all my Group A clients that are going to be over 65 years old this year, that live in a certain zip code, and I want to send them all a letter and keep a copy of it for compliance. We have good tools where you can get that specific list of people together, send them a letter, send them an email, keep track of it as part of the history automatically. But again, you should have good tools in your system to do those searches and do that mass communication with your clients, and both Junxure and Junxure Cloud certainly help with that. Another thing we definitely hear about all the time nowadays is being a scalable workflow management system, where a lot of advisors, they never get beyond that glorified Rolodex with their CRM. And it's names, addresses, and phone numbers, and then sporadic notes in history. Sometimes the phone call notes, sometimes the meeting note might make it in there. And again, that's really as far as a lot of firms get. And I'll talk a little more about that adoption in a second and how we can get you beyond that. But any good consultant will tell you that you get more bang from your buck by using workflows in your CRM than anything else. What needs to happen? It should run your office. So with our Junxure and Junxure Cloud systems, I can log in, and in one place, I can see that ad hoc phone call that I'm supposed to call back. My assistant talked to a client, I need to call him back today. That's on my list of things to do. I might have something where I need to call a client, schedule a meeting every quarter, and wish somebody a happy birthday every year. Quarter after quarter, year after year, that action is going to show up in my list of things to do. We also handle the workflows. So maybe I'm the person that needs to make sure that paperwork has arrived. I'm verifying it's there. I don't want that showing up my list until somebody's actually sent that paperwork off. We have good triggered workflows, so when paperwork is sent off by somebody else, I automatically get the action in my list of workflow that says I need to check on that paperwork. The next step shows up in somebody else's list when I complete that step. We have good triggered workflows where we can make sure the right step is done by the right person each and every time. You don't have principals doing admin work just because it fell into their lap. You don't have employees pointing at one another thinking somebody else is supposed to do something when they were supposed to do it. The right person does the right task in the right order every time. And we have a really good workflow management system to make sure that happens. Now, some firms come our way, and they've got a good standard operating procedure already, and frankly, it's easy to get those into our system. Other firms come our way, and if we were to ask 10 people what happens when a new client comes under management, they'll get 10 different answers. We can help that firm develop a workflow for their system. We have workflows that we can bring in there from various places. If you're a custodian or broker-dealer or a group, OSJ, that has certain workflows that you want to have all your affiliated reps work with, we can get those into the system. And if you change a step, change it one time, changes for everybody in the system there. So we've got good ways to make sure that the right things are happening in the right order, and you don't have principals going home each night wondering what was slipping through the cracks. They can spend time meeting with clients and less time worrying about what's going on in the office. And that's a big part of our system, is making sure that you're handling the workflows in your CRM. And to kind of piggyback onto the theme of this conference, I think the best part of our company is our support and our service, and goes from the very beginning to helping you onboard. We've got good trainers and consultants who know this industry. They don't have to rejigger their brain from a lawyer to a garbage man to a teacher to an advisor. This is the only industry we deal with, so they know the best practices. They know what works, and they can help you with those things. They know what doesn't work, and they can help you avoid those things. We have great trainers and consultants that can help you get up and running with your system initially. We have the best tech support in the industry. I know that's easy for a sales guy like me to say, but we get over 98% positive feedback in our tech support calls. They have no goals as to how many calls they take in a day or how quickly they're supposed to shoo you off the phone. Their only goal is for you to click that positive button at the end of each call. And again, month after month, year after year, we've been tracking this for 10 years now, 98% positive feedback in our tech support calls. And I know the other vendors here know this that are in technology. Y'all probably know that most tech calls to tech support aren't really technical. They're usually how-to questions. I just ran a report, and I can't figure out where the data came from in the second column. Or I've got some data, and I want to show it on a report. Which one can I pick? Our support reps can help you get past all those little humps that come up with any system and help your firm really use the software to its fullest extent. And again, it's the best part of our company, and it's included with every license. It's the best support you will ever have. We can also help you with the onboarding. We've got good migration teams that can help you take your data from another system and get it into our Junxure Cloud or Junxure system so you can have a good starting off point, getting your data into our system to get up and running. But again, just a quick demo today, quick talk today. If you want to give us a call or shoot us an email, we'd be happy to talk to you further, give you a demo. If you shoot us an email, I can send back to you links to we have a short 20-minute overview that can show you our system. We do live webinars all the time, at least a couple times a week. I'd be happy to set up one-on-one webinars with anybody here. Just let me know. We also offer a 60-day free trial. We found that a month is often not enough time, so we can give you 2 months to look at the software for firms and make sure it's doing what you want it to do and play with it in a sandbox. We'll also, for the next few minutes, the booth is open over here. We'll be over there to answer any questions that you have. But again, I'm Robert DeFrancis, and we offer Junxure Cloud. Thank you very much.